Yes, come in. Yes. Yes, you can start.
Good afternoon, all of you. मैं माइक पे जरूर देगा ऐसे ही
I think everyone is able to hear.
आवाज आ रही है मेरी Good afternoon, everyone. Today's my topic is if you were at powerful position. मेरे को नहीं लगता मैं नाम बताने की जरूरत है लेकिन फिर भी my name is आदित्य सिन्हा. Oh, sorry. Today's my topic is if you were at powerful position. So, if I am at powerful position, I am assured to take a decision to right convenient for every people. I am never take that type of decision who my audience is not liked. If my friend, anyone, अगर आप लोग पोजीशन पावरफुल पोजीशन पे रहोगे तो आप क्या डिसीजन लोगे? Yes, say. ये तो पर्सनल हुआ ना, ये तो पर्सनल हुआ. एक हुआ कि ऑडियंस के लिए, फॉर माय ऑडियंस. जो पावरफुल पोजीशन पे लोग वही जाते हैं ना जो ऑडियंस के लिए हो, पर्सनल के लिए तो नहीं होंगे. My friend, everything is not as free. We have to pay. They have to pay a sum of money. Anyone? My friend, if you are in powerful position, so what are you doing?
We can make our country more developed by doing several things.
And like
My friend told, corruption is the biggest problem, the biggest issue nowadays. In every field you will get corruption.
Bro, but
political field.
Our government is taken decision to
They are not
close.
taking decision. They are victim of corruption. They themselves are victim
My
of
friend,
corruption.
you are good, but the government has already taken a decision of demonetization of the end of corruption.
That doesn't mean nowadays each and every people is earning digital black money. Just as Bitcoin and everything you were saying nowadays. Just take example of our CM Nitish Kumar. He is doing nothing for corruption.
He is doing
He
something.
is doing nothing. If you talk about the corruption rate in Bihar, it is highest.
Okay, let me continue this speech. Yes, my friend. Ayush. Education system. Okay, let me complete to my speech and then. So, I am creating that type of system there. My audience easily interact with me. I am always helpful with my well wishers. Thank you for everyone. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. First thing you have to note is whenever you throw question in the audience, ठीक है, आप अपनी ऑडियंस से जब भी क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे एक ऐसा बंदा जरूर रहेगा who wants to fight your opinion. ठीक है, it is in their nature. ठीक है, so you cannot avoid this. If you are throwing question, you have to keep in mind that there might be someone who would like to ask your more question than you answer your questions, right? So every time you throw question to your audience, hey, every time you question your audience, ठीक है, तो you should be prepared for more question in return. ठीक है, ये प्रिपरेशन पहले से करनी है कि मान लीजिए कि अगर मैं ये क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ या पूछती हूँ तो मेरे ऑडियंस में से हो सकता है कि 4 और क्वेश्चन आ जाए. तो 4 और क्वेश्चन क्या पॉसिबल है? उसने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं पूछा है जो कि पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं थी पूछने की. देयर इज नथिंग अनप्रिडिक्टेड, राइट? उसने वही क्वेश्चन पूछा है जो 4 और लोग पूछ सकते थे, राइट? इफ he has not asked that question, anyone else might have, right? कोई और 4 बंदे वो 4 क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते थे. तो you should always be prepared कि if you are asking the audience to question, तो ऑडियंस हमेशा नहीं है कि तुम लोग की तरह भोदू होगी, चुपचाप बस बैठ के जो भी वो बोल रहा है वो सुन के चले जाए, ठीक है। कोई ना कोई होगा जो उसको जवाब करेगा, ठीक है। तो जब भी क्वेश्चन थ्रो करते हो, एम आई ऑडिबल टू द एंड? अगर आप क्वेश्चन थ्रो करते हैं ऑडियंस की तरफ, तो आपको ये दिमाग में रखना है कि आपके तरफ भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, ठीक है। प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट। सेकेंड थिंग, आप जब बोल रहे हैं, नर्वसनेस की वजह से हो रहा है या किसी और चीज की वजह से हो रहा है, योर सेंटेंसेस आर ओवरलैपिंग. Aditya, I'm talking to you, okay? Your sentences are overlapping, which creates a miscommunication. If your audience is not intelligent enough to capture your meaning, लड़ाई हो जाएगी बच्चे. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको अपना communication gap नहीं create करना है. You should try for your audience to make your question like simpler, so that they can understand and answer your questions. Okay? Okay. तुम रुक जाओ. You will not go. Anyone else who would like to give a speech? Online student, you can raise your hand if you want to deliver a speech on the topics that I have given you. Jai. You're not VCA, right?
All of you. My name is Milind Kumar, and I am here to deliver a speech on the topic if you were at a powerful position. So, if I will have an opportunity to hold a powerful position, then I will choose to become the Prime Minister of India. So it is a very important position. Only a good Prime Minister can take the country on the path of the progress. So if I were the Prime Minister of India, my first priority will be to improve the education system of India, because poverty is the poverty is the highest due to illiteracy in the country, and poverty is also the root cause of the many problems. And my second motive is to provide bread, clothes, and houses to needy and poor people. And I will also provide job opportunities to the people of India. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that being a Prime Minister of India, my aim will always be to make our India a happy and a prosperous country. Thank you.
या तो you have no imagination in yourself, or you are highly motivated by the movies, कि तुमको उसके अलावा और कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है. बच्चे, और भी प्रॉब्लम है आपके इंडिया में, एजुकेशन सिस्टम एंड पॉवर्टी एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के अलावा भी देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू कैन कल्टिवेट एंड फाइंड सोल्यूशन टू. एग्जाम्पल आई वुड टेल इज द ग्लोबलाइजेशन में जो इंडिया पर अटैक हो रहा है, ग्लोबल अटैक हो रहा है इंडिया पे, द इकोनॉमी अनस्टेबल हो रही है, ठीक है. a lot of problems are there, technical issues actually, the issues जिसका आप solution कंजोर नहीं कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, उनके बारे में you could have talked about that, ठीक है. तो जो normal issues हैं उनके बारे में if I would have to hear, I would watch movie नायक, ठीक है. तो what you have to do is conjure your own प्रॉब्लम्स, ठीक है. आप अपनी खुद की लाइफ में ही नहीं, आप अपने आसपास के लोगों की लाइफ में भी देखिए क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, उन पे भी सोल्यूशन खोजने का कोशिश करिए. ओके. बिकॉज यू आर एट द स्टेज ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम, यू आर इन द एजुकेशन सिस्टम, दैट इज द मेजर फैक्टर टू एफिलिएट योर प्रॉब्लम्स. उससे बाहर निकलोगे देन यू नो व्हाट रियल लाइफ इज, ठीक है. तो उसके लिए यू हैव टू कम अप विद अदर आइडियाज. नेक्स्ट आइए, आप मीटिंग एंड होने के बाद जाएंगे. यस. वेट, you have not logged in. The online students also want to hear your voice. Okay, they should be also able to hear what is going on in the class. Have you prepared the speech? I have sent the topics in your group. I want the speech in next class. Your check करवाना like login हो गया? I don't have a pen, बच्चे. Wait. Yes. Yes. 1 minute. 1 minute. Unmute yourself first. Yes. Go ahead.
A very glorious good afternoon to all of you. My name is Abhishek Singh and today I am present here for speech delivery. And I am really grateful to ma'am for providing me a prosperous opportunity to say few lines over here. Now, without wasting your time, I am starting my speech. And my topic is, what if there will be a web blackout? The web blackout means that the cyber crash in throughout the world. There will be the disconnection of internet. No one will be able to use the internet. And in today's world where we are living, we can survive without water for 2 to 3 days, but we can't live without internet for even for 2 to 3 hours, because in today's world our total work depends on internet. Nowadays internet is there in each and every field, whether there is a bank, where there is a banking sector, police, hospitals, railway, colleges, each and everywhere. Now I am talking about the most important factor, our defense system. As we all know that we are having a defense satellite which is named as Brahma. If there will be a cyber blackout, we will not be able to our soldiers will not be able to use their communication, and if there will be a communication failure, there will be a huge question in our national security. Now talking about ISRO, if there will be a web blackout, we will be not able to connect with our satellites, and because of loss to connection to the satellites, we will be not even to use to see the TVs, news channels and everything. So internet plays a very vital role in today's life. Thank you for listening, Ms. Ovail. Have a nice day.
Online student, is there anyone present on the online classes who would like to deliver a speech on the topics that I have given you? I have given you 5 topics. Anyone who has prepared any one speech? One student has raised his hand. What was his name? Yes, Abhijit Raj. Did you wanted to speak something? आपने hand raise किया था. Did you want to deliver a speech? Or you have any question for me? Hey. Okay, if there is no one here present who would like to deliver a speech, again I'm repeating, I've given you 5 topics and I want a speech and the next class. Even if you are not able to deliver it, I want it in paper. ठीक है, आपको पेपर पे लिख के रखना है. I want everyone to say yes when I asked in the next class who has prepared the speech. Okay. Am I audible to all or not? Raise your hand if I'm not audible. Okay, then I'll wait for your speech until the next class, but it is the last warning I'm giving you. Next class, I want every one of you to deliver a speech. If you're not able to deliver, at least you should have it on your person.